Hey everyone, it's Jocelyn and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a summer hair wrap. I did one of these videos last year and I only used one thread, and the thread was color changing, so it would go lighter to darker. But I realized that not a lot of people have that type of embroidery string, so I'm going to be doing it with 3 colors today, so that way a lot more of you guys can be able to do this. And it's really easy and fun to do, so if you want to know how to do it, then just keep on watching. So all you're going to need is the 3 colors you're using, a small elastic, and scissors for when you cut the thread. So now that I know where I want this to go, I'm just going to braid this, just a normal braid, and then when you're done braiding it, you're going to want to tie it off with the small hair elastic. Okay, so now that the hair is braided, I'm just going to tie it off with this hair elastic. Okay, so I got a scrunchie so I can hold the rest of my hair back while I do this, because I don't want all this other hair in the way. So now that the little strand of hair is braided, I just tied the rest of my hair back. I'm getting my embroidery thread, and you're going to need a lot of it. Definitely make sure that it's longer than your hair because it's going to be wrapping around the braid, so you're going to need a lot. I don't have measurements for this just because everybody's hair length is different, so I don't measure mine. I just cut it, and I cut it really long so I have extra. But mine's from this to this, and it's probably too much, but if it is, I can just cut it. So I'm going to do the exact same thing with these 2 other colors. So now that the strings are folded in half, because that's how we cut them, so it's going to look like this since it's folded in half, and you're going to pull it under the braid, and you're just going to tie a knot on it. And then make sure it's all the way up. Just like that. And I think I might even double knot it. You're gonna have your colors here, and I'm gonna start off with blue. So I'm gonna get my 2 blues. I'm gonna put them together. So now we're gonna start wrapping. I have my 2 blues separated from the rest of the colors, and we're just gonna start wrapping these around. So you can hold this here so it doesn't slide. You're just gonna wrap it around like that. Here's the braid, and then just keep wrapping it around it. And you're just gonna keep doing that until you want to change the color. So I'm gonna keep wrapping this, and I'll get back to you guys when I show you what the next color is gonna be. And so now I have my 2 orange strings, and I'm gonna wrap them around. And the blue is now in the middle with the white. So here's the blue and the white, and I'm gonna be wrapping the orange now. So I'm just doing the same thing, wrapping it around the braid. I have enough orange now, and I'm going to change the color again, and this time I'm going to be doing white. So I have the orange in this hand, and I have 2 whites. So I got the white now, and I'm going to put this with the blue, and I'm going to begin wrapping with the white. So I'm done with the white, and I'm just going to keep repeating this process. So I'm going to go blue, orange, white, all the way till I reach the end of the braid, and then I'll show you guys how to end it off. So if you guys are doing this and you start running out of string, all you have to do is tie more string onto the string that you have here. So it's a really easy fix, but obviously you kind of don't want to have to do that, because if you have enough string, that'd just be better. But it is something that you can do. You guys can see I'm almost done with mine. I haven't been doing this for that long. I've probably been here for like 15 minutes. So it does go fast, and it goes even faster when you use double the string. So usually I'd be using 1 string, but for this video I decided to do 2, so it's going even faster than it normally would. Okay, so I'm done wrapping my hair. I have about that much hair left, and I can't really wrap that anymore. So now you're just gonna tie a knot through it. So I have the loop there, and I'm going to pull this through. And then to make a knot around the loop. I do a double knot, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it again. So you're going to wrap this around, then just go like that, and you should get a loop. Then you're just going to pull the string through the loop. Just like that, and then tighten it. But I'm just going to do a little knot that's not on the twist. So here's the knot, and I'm just gonna pull it tight. It's just a regular knot. So, and now you have like this extra string, and I'm just gonna cut that off. Make sure not to cut your hair. And we are finally done. That's how it looks. So you can swim and shower with these in your hair. I did it last year and my hair was perfectly fine. I did cut mine out after a week just because I felt like it. But yes, you can swim and shower with these in your hair. And to cut this out, all you have to do is cut the knot that you made, and then it should just unravel. That's it for today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!